Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at the Strike Your Own, which is the one that is currently running, and that is the Hogwarts School. This is the fourth of the 4 coins that Harry Potter series has had, and it is the 4th Strike Your Own. This is a Strike Your Own of the Hogwarts School. If you look at the school itself, or look at this picture, this is the school itself, and this is what is depicted on the coin. On the reverse we have an uncrowned head of Charles II, Charles III, sorry, Charles II, the Merry Monarch, and we have the specifications of the coin. The coin itself, if we get down, there we go, we have Charles's portrait, Charles III portrait, standard obverse that we're slowly getting used to. This is, I think, is the 3rd or 4th coin that we've reviewed with Charles's head on it as a monarch, and this is what we have as the actual coin. We have the churches all the way around here, the churches. We have the Hogwarts School all the way around here, along with the holographic effect of the 25 and lightning strike that has been on all of the Harry Potter coins. And we have the school itself, I believe. On this one here we have the dragon off the top of it. If we open the folder up, we have the coin itself here, not sitting fully down. There we go, it's now fully inside its housing. It's congratulations on the coin. This coin, as I say, I'm quite see that's the 25 there. Have we got the lightning strike? Can we show that? I've shown it on the other coins as well. I think you have to have it in just the right sort of light, and I'm not quite able to do that. We've seen this coin many times. I've done the review on the Cooper Nickel version, which this is, or the coloured version I've done as well. The only difference between a Cooper Nickel and this one is that it was actually struck on a visit to the mint that was done by a friend of mine, who later sold me on the coin for covering his costs, which I'm very grateful for. That guy, of course, is Bo Selector. So that's the coin. What do you think of it? I actually like this. I've enjoyed this set, and I seriously hope they're going to do a second and possibly a 3rd set. You could have sets based around the villains of Harry Potter and who he faced. You could have one of the animals that are associated with each of the students. You could have ones of the beasts that they incur and they fight as well over the 7 films. You know, you got is it the triple-headed dog and the double-headed snake or something like that? And so there's plenty of those sort of things, and there is enough scope and characters without even going back to the cast members themselves. I'd love to see an Alan Rickman coin and a Hagrid coin, as well as, say, the other 2 main characters, Ron and Hermione. There's also the Maggie Smith character's coin as well. So there's a lot of scope there for another couple of 3 series easily. So, write down in the comments below, have you enjoyed this series of coins? Would you like to see a 2nd or 3rd series? Very much like they did with the Beatrix Potter or even the Winnie the Pooh type series. I think the Harry Potter is far more likely to get younger people involved. It's a more modern story. it's more relatable to children and young adults, which are going to be the future of coin collecting. So I don't see why Beatrix Potter should have 3 or 4 series of coins over the years, and Harry Potter only have 1. It doesn't make sense, and I don't think it would make economic sense to do it either. Whether there's a problem with them doing the franchise or not, I don't know, but there's absolutely no reason why they can't do another series, having introduced us with these 4 coins. I've had my little rant and my little say now. It's down to you. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, and also if you have not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I am trying to increase my subscriber level again this year, so any help you can give me will be gratefully received. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.